Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this error when you're logging into your PC or system. It says your credentials could not be verified. Even though you're entering the same and entering the correct credentials, it still says could not be verified. So I've got a fix for this, and how to do that, let's get started. First, the main solution would be restarting your computer. Just restart your computer. Windows sometimes takes time to load things up, so maybe restarting your PC will fix this. If not, what you have to do is hold Shift key and then restart again. Make sure while you're restarting, while you're clicking on the restart button, you're holding the Shift key. Once you do this, it will show you some options after restarting. You have to just click on troubleshoot and then click on advanced options. Then click on command prompt, and once command prompt opens, you have to first type dir space c colon. Once you do this, hit enter and it will show you the directory of C drive. After this, you have to type this command icacls space c semicolon and this whole path, and make sure you write the same exact code here. If you do not, then it will bring you problems in future, so make sure you do the exact same as I am telling you. Once you do this, just close cmd and then click on continue. After this, it will restart your PC again and your problem should be solved. And if your problem still occurs, make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.